How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your Acer Predator monitor. So the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, set your refresh rate to the highest value possible. In order to make sure that you're using the highest one, you have to put the display port on your computer onto your monitor. This will ensure that we can get the highest refresh rate and at the same time the highest resolution if possible. Now, you want to look for your OSD controls. Most likely, it's going to be at the bottom of your monitor. So you can just press one of the buttons below your monitor and the OSD will now show up. This is basically the on-screen display on which we can then set our monitor setting. So this is what I've came up with, the best setting. Once again, the refresh rate, you want to select the maximum possible value. For the adaptive sync, you want to turn it on and the resolution is going to be native. So if your resolution or if your monitor can support 1440p, of course you want to enable that. Same thing with 1080p and maybe even 4K. For game mode, you want to use competitive game FPS mode for competitive games. And you want to use standard or user for the best overall balance. Maybe you love watching movies, playing games, and at the same time doing some work. For visibility, this is going to help you a lot in FPS games. You want to set the black boost to 5 to 7. Of course, not all monitor models have this feature, but if you have, just make sure that it is set between these numbers. For performance, you want to set it to overdrive, to normal or fast, because extreme is or can go ahead and cause ghosting. For the low latency mode, you want to turn this on to reduce the input to our monitor. And on the display, you want to set this to 60 to 75, but of course this can still depend on your monitors or in your room's lighting, but generally you want to avoid those high brightness. For contrast, set it to 50. For the color temperature, normal or warm. And lastly, you want to turn off HDR. So that's the best settings for your Acer Predator monitor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.